Setting up a Vagaro account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Visit the Vagaro website, go to Vagaro's homepage, sign up, click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. You'll be prompted to choose a plan based on your business needs. Enter business information. Fill in the required details, including your business name, address, and phone number. This information will help create your business profile. Select services offered. Choose the types of services your business provides. This helps in setting up your service menu. Set pricing. Enter pricing for each service. This allows clients to see costs when booking appointments online. Create user accounts. If you have staff, add their information to create user accounts. This allows them to manage their schedules and appointments. Customize your profile. Upload your logo, photos, and any additional branding materials to personalize your Vagaro page. Explore features. Familiarize yourself with Vagaro's dashboard, including appointment management, client profiles, and marketing tools.